Well, hello everybody. Well, today I have got something I purchased out of my own money, and of course another thing here I've purchased with my own money. Life is Good, my new favorite clothing brand now, along with, of course, this, and not to mention something in that package falls under that category that I just showed you just now. I'll show you what it is. They have to get dirty a little bit. All I have to do now is, of course, show you what the item is. Now that I'm wearing my Life is Good clothing, as you can see here. I'll have to get dirty, like I said. Make sure it's clear. It's clear. And here we go. Shipped to myself. Looks like I got a Matrix 40 mm M203. Yeah, an M203 grenade launcher for M4 and M16 series. Rifles, that is, for Airsoft. Oh yeah, it looks like I have a grenade launcher now. Yeah, this is it right here. And I'm doing something like Jake here from Life is Good, along with his dog, Rocket, if you can see here. See, look, Jake and Rocket. Life is Good. I'm going to get a few pictures of this as I open it. Something real quick. I'll be back. What's really going on is I have a little bit of a cold and allergies, but I'll be alright. I'll get a few more photos. Ooh, I have a long-range grenade launcher. How'd I get so lucky? Ha! This time I didn't. I just happened to have found it because I had the money and requested for a long range. I'm going to open this. Some assembly guide. So we'll get a few more photos of this. Whoa! There it is! Whoa! Along with these items here. Silica gel, which I could use for other things. Suppose that's enough right now. Photos. So now I'm going to put the box aside. Show you this grenade launcher here. Still made in China, as you can see here. At least I have something to mount on my M16, which I know, or one of my M16s, which I know I have plenty of. Wow. I suppose I could take a couple more photos from here. Here we go. Suppose I had a few more photos. Yeah, so I got something I wanted finally. Another item, that is, which is an Airsoft M203. And now it's here. In my possession. So I'm doing something, like I said, about Jake and Rocket from Life is Good. Jake is this guy in the boat, and Rocket, of course, is the dog right here, as you can see. I wonder what Jake and Rocket are going to think of me playing with this. I'm sure it'll be cool when I'm with them. Maybe I'll find a range or something. And then if I'm with Jake and Rocket, and like I said. Well, that's all I have for now. So otherwise, I'll see you around. Suppose you can watch me play with this a little while.